Okay, this is Joy. This one's Carl. No tail. And the one coming around the corner is May. No tail. And they like closing each other in the crate. Come out in the light, kids. Come on, May. And here is Lucky Tiptoe falling asleep. Hey, Lucky. He's watching your shoulder. I can't see your pretty face. Look at you. Look at you, Lucky Tiptoe. Where's May? There she is. Carl's on her. You can see the cyst on top of her little nub there. Kind of. When she rolls back over. Hi, Joy. Where are you going? Oh, May. Did you fall down? Did you fall down, May? Carl says, I didn't do it.
He's so up.
You want the string? Do you want the string?
Oh.
It's little May. It's a little tiny baby.
There's
Carl sneaking. What do you see? You see a fuzzy? Need eye drops? Your feet are dirty.
Oh, she walked in the food.
Did you walk in the food bowl? What do you see, Carl? We need to show how tiny May is. Look, she fits in my hand. Look how little she is. She's so tiny.
Little Tiptoe's gonna play.
Oh, Tippy Toes is coming out.
He's over here playing.
There's May and her little flipper walk. It's not as bad as her brother's.
Are you gonna show her butt?
And here's your cute little butt.
And cyst.
And here's your little cyst right there on top. You can see it. It got shaved, so you can see it. And there's Lucky Tiptoe. You're always in the shadow, Lucky.
He's a midnight crawler.
You're a midnight crawler?
Black.
But you're too handsome to hide. Look at you, Lucky Tiptoe.
Carl's trying to play with Mama. He's hitting her in the face.
Here's me. Oh, look at you, little cutie. I see your cyst full blown out. You always fall over. There's Carl.
He likes to slide face first down the edge.
There she is again.
Don't want to get in the big litter box.
Trying to get in Mama's big litter box. Look at this. Joy. That's Joy with the tail and the pretty markings. That's Lucky's feet. Ooh, good dingle dong. That's Mama.
Carl is so awkward.
You guys got food everywhere. Carol, you awkward. But in such a cute way. Mama's head tilt. There's Mama's head tilt. Oh, man, look at you way up there. You look like a hamster on the mountain. May, where'd you go?
I'll get her.
She's gonna get stuck. There she is. Poor little girl.
He's Carl, I'm sorry.
It's Carl. His flipper feet. Hi, May. Hi, Mama. Hello, Ella. Show us your pretty face. You calling your babies? There's your head tilt. You're so beautiful.
Carl, you're gonna try and pounce.
You're a little too close to show, though. Oh, what did you do to your
Tiptoe bit her in the butt.
Tiptoes? You bit your sister in the bum?
Look at her face.
Can't see her. Here's Carl again.
Oh, don't show her poop.
Oh well, poop happens.
Oh.
Hi, Mom. Yeah? I love your talk. You want some love?
I love how they've been climbing lately.
You want some love? It's because they're so strong in the front. Joy! Woo! They're such little kittens for their age.
Oh, hi.
I'm shocked that they're the age they are.
Here.
Look at Carl climb.
Who is that?
Mom. No.
It's not her. It's not coming from her.
Is it out there? We hear an extra cat. Oh, Reese! Oh my gosh, look at this! We couldn't figure out where the extra cat was coming from. Hi, Reese! You scared us.
I thought someone was in here.
Hi. You want to come in?
Should I go let her in?
Remy! We'll get you in.
How did you find it?
That is so funny. You heard us talking. All right, we'll come.